Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Snapchat multi-snap option not showing. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So I'm gonna tell you the several solutions, so you guys have to just follow me until your problem will be fixed. So the first step is you guys have to simply open up your phone settings, and after opening up your phone setting, here you guys have to simply search for apps, and in the apps you guys have to simply search for Snapchat. So here you guys have to simply clear the cache data of the Snapchat. So after clearing the cache data of the Snapchat, you guys have to simply go back and open up the Google Play Store. So after opening up Google Play Store, here you guys have to simply search for Snapchat. Here you guys have to simply check that if there is any update available, so you guys must have to update your Snapchat application. And I hope your issue will be resolved. If your issue still not resolved, then don't worry about it. I'm gonna tell you how you can fix this. You guys have to simply open up Snapchat. So after opening up Snapchat app, you guys have to simply tap on the top left of your profile icon. And here you guys have to simply tap on the top right corner of settings. And in the settings section, you guys have to simply scroll down. After scrolling down, you guys have to simply find an option which is I spotted a bug. You guys can find this option in feedback section. So after tapping on I spotted a bug, you guys have to simply tap on camera. And here you guys have to please state the issue to Snapchat. So Snapchat will review your issue and resolve it within 48 hours. And you will receive an email from Snapchat. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.